Hey guys, I'm Matt Brooks. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun doing a new project. It's going to be a rainbow Jell-o mold. And we've got all our ingredients laid out right here, plus a little bit of booze. We've got one of each color of Jell-o. You can choose any flavor you want. Some extra gelatin to kind of hold it together. Some plain yogurt. So the first things first. Cheers. All right, so we've got a bundt pan here. This is what we're going to be making our Jell-o mold in. So in order to release it properly at the end, we'll need to spray it with a little cooking spray. Our next step is to start getting our Jell-o ready. I'm going to take one of these of each color, pour it into these glasses. I've got 2 strawberries. We're going to be ending with that one. So in order to make it a little bit thicker to hold the vodka, we're going to need to put a little extra gelatin. Got the measuring cups here. We're going to do 1 teaspoon in each of these. Alright, next step, we're going to mix in the hot water. So we're going to go about 3/4 a cup of boiling water. And stir it until it's combined. Now, as typical in my kitchen, it's getting a little hot with all this boiling water.
So we're going to fix that.
Next step, we're going to add our booze. So we're going to take each one of these, adding about 1/2 cup to 3/4 a cup. You can be a little bit liberal with it. Now the vodka has been in the freezer overnight, so it's nice and cold. It'll help it chill a little faster. Then our next step, I'm going to pour half of it into our mixing cup. And the other half, we'll go ahead and put into our bundt pan. We're going to chill this for about 10 to 15 minutes. While that's chilling, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of yogurt and add it to the second half of our purple cup. Once it's totally combined, this is going to add a nice new color to our cake. We're going to want to use a spoon so that it slowly pours because we don't want the first layer seeping into the second. So the spoon will break up how it falls onto the other Jell-o layer. And then we'll do it just like that for all the rest. It's nice and cold, so to get it to release from the pan, we're going to want to put it in a hot water bath for a little bit. Alright, probably about ready. Alright, here it is. The rainbow Jell-o cake, spiked with a little bit of vodka. Bring it to all of your pride parties. People will love it.